Welcome to the Knowledge Tree channel. Knowledge Tree, in association with Ganpit Quiz organization, presents the Independence Day quiz along with its answers. So friends, before we start, I request to subscribe this channel, and if you find this video helpful, then please press the like button and press the bell icon to get the notifications. So friends, let's start the video. The first question, Ganga Jaisalmer Rizala is now part of BSF. Why this is unique? And the answer is, this is the only camel force in Indian Army. The next question, Lalitram from Chandigarh, Parmanand, Hira Singh, Bhagmal, all from Gurgaon. They took participation in Republic Day Parade in 2019. Whom they are representing? And the correct answer, Indian National Army. Indian National Army was founded by Rasbihari Bose in 1942 and it was led by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. By 42nd Amendment Act 1976, which two words were included in the preamble of Indian Constitution? And the correct answer of this question is socialist and secular. In Berubari case 1960, Supreme Court held the view that the preamble cannot be a part of the Indian Constitution. But in 1976, 13 judges of Constitutional Bench of Supreme Court said that preamble is the part of Constitution. What is the name of that famous case in 1973? And the answer is Kesavananda Bharati case. And the next question is, Benegal Narsingh Rao was a civil servant who became the first Indian judge in International Court of Justice and was the president of United Nations Security Council. Why should we remember him? And what is his the biggest contribution to the independence India? And the answer of this question is, he prepared the initial draft constitution of India. In 1928, an all-party committee drafted a constitution. Members of that committee were Sir Ali Imam, Tej Bahadur Sapru, Subhash Chandra Bose, A.M.R. Jayakar, and Annie Besant joined the committee later. Who was the chairman of that committee? And the answer of this question is Motilal Nehru. Let's forward to the next question. In 1967, President didn't take part in Republic Day Parade due to ill health. It was the first and only time happened in India. Who was the president? The answer is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The next question, who was the first guest country of First Republic Day Parade? And the answer is President Sukarno of Indonesia. Next question, which are the only two countries invited 5 times each? And the answer is France and United Kingdom. And the next question, which country was the guest country for Republic Day Parade twice, but now the name of that country does not exist? The answer is Yugoslavia. Next question, first parade at Rajpath was held in the year 1955, which was the first guest country of Rajpath Parade. The answer is Pakistan. Governor General Malik Ghulam Muhammad was the guest of that parade. On 22nd January 1930, Jawaharlal Nehru and other Indian National Congress leaders hoisted national flag at Lahore on the bank of which river? And the answer is Ravi. Let's move to the next question. The British government in India has not only deprived the Indian people of their freedom but had based itself on the exploitation of the masses and has ruined India economically, politically, culturally, and spiritually. Therefore, India must sever the British connection and attain dash. Fill in the blank. And the correct answer is Purna Swaraj. This was the declaration of Purna Swaraj or total independence in 1929. This regiment was raised in 1773. Then it was called Governor's Troop of Mughals. It was the oldest regiment in Indian Army. What is the present name of that regiment? And the answer is President's Bodyguard or PGB. L1A1 self-loading rifle is the British version of Belgian FN-FAL battle rifle. How this rifle became immortal in Indian history. And the correct answer, we find this rifle at famous Amar Jawan Jyoti. X was a title meaning Rao Singha. The title was conferred to the local Jagidar Kaldarao. The name of that place came from X. Identify X. And the correct answer is Rai Sinha, that is Rai Sinha Hills of Rashtrapati Bhavan. And that's all for today. I hope this will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please press the like button and write your views in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, The Knowledge Tree.